best app to make money in 2023. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys the best app to use to make money in 2023. I've been using this app for quite some while now, and in today's video I'll be revealing to you the three apps I use in making money in 2023. So right now I'll be getting over to my phone screen right now to show you the three apps I use in making money in 2023. So guys, I would advise to watch this video to the end, because this video is going to be a step-by-step video on how to make money online playing games on your phone. So guys, let's get right into my phone screen right now to show you guys around. Hey guys, I'm on my phone screen right now, and I'm so excited to share with you the latest and greatest way to make money online. So today I'm excited to talk about the best app to make money in 2023, and this app is called Gaming Price, and it is a fantastic way to earn real money by just playing fun games on your phone. And by the way, I'll be leaving the link to this app in the description below. Just click on the link, the first link in the description below, to go download the app on Play Store or iOS Store. So right now I'll be showing you what Game Price literally is. So Game Price is a mobile gaming app that lets you play games for real money. So this app is free to download and is available on both iOS and Android device. So once you sign up and start playing games, you earn real money straight away. And by the way, once you sign up with my link in the description below, you'll be given a $1 bonus commission for signing up with my link. So how does this um game literally works? So this game literally works by playing games on your phone and also completing simple puzzle on the app. So with this puzzle, you stand a chance to win close to a $1,000 bonus from doing a puzzle. And also there are other ways to make money from this app, because right here I'm on the app right now, and I currently have earned over $6 $84 right now. So my last payout was $200, so I've cashed $200 from the app. And you can see right here, this app is a really great way to earn money, and there are a lot of games you could play on this app and you earn money. So you could just scroll down. Once you are done logging in and creating your account, you could play a lot of games, and once you play these games, you are gonna be given points, and from there you could redeem your points to cash. And by the way, how do you get paid from gaming? So gaming pays you through PayPal or gift card once you have accumulated enough points, so you can cash out your money and have it transferred to your PayPal account, or redeem it through gift card. So you could either redeem it through Amazon gift card, Walmart, and Startbox. So right now this game is a really good game to earn. And why is gaming price the best to make money in 2023? So gaming price stand out from other making money apps because it offer fun and entertaining way to earn real cash online. So this app has a wide variety of games to choose. So there are a lot of games you could choose on this app. You could play a lot of games from this app, and also it's offering you a payout of up to $1,000, guys. To see that this is really crazy. Not all gaming platform is going to offer you this amount of money. And by the way, the minimum threshold to cash out from this app is $10. That is the lowest amount of money to cash out from this app. So right now I just earn a coins. Let me quickly claim my coins. So right now I just earn a coins right now to tell you this is game is really crazy. And by the way, I'll be showing you the second way to earn money from this app. So you can also earn money from this app by going to the spin option. So you have to spin. The more you spin, the more money you make. Just go to the spin option and I click on spin. So it's gonna spin. So the more you keep on spinning, the more you keep on earning cash. So guys, this game is really crazy. You could go check out the link in the description below. So gaming price is an excellent way to make money in 2023 because it is fun and it have a lot of fun games you could really play. It is a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. So if you are looking for a way and the easiest way to make money online, be sure to go check out Gamey. And guys, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So guys, a video is going to be popping out on how to create a PayPal account. If you don't know you don't have a PayPal account, so go watch this video. Is going to be showing you on how to create a PayPal account. So once you have a lot of money, once you have money in your gaming account, you could then send the money into your PayPal account straight up. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I love you all, guys.